Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here for you with something new from Jen Loves Reviews and Ofra Cosmetics. I went to my mailbox today, wasn't expecting this package, and I opened it up and I just got really excited. Thank you so much, Jen and Ofra. I really appreciate this. She has collaborated with Ofra to create this lip set, and it's a transforming lip set. It's meant to create different shades, and you can take these and mix them together, play with them, and create your own perfect shade. Please go check out Jen Loves Reviews and her video on this collaboration. She does so much and so many different layerings, and she just really goes into it. And the whole reason behind this collaboration and why she chose the shades that she chose, because of wanting to create, you know, the perfect shade for her. I really love the story behind it, and I don't want to ruin it like by watching my video and not hers, so make sure you check that out. I'm going to be doing a bunch of layering myself. I'm going to show you what these look like individually, and believe it or not, I have these on right now mixed with a gloss on top. But all right, let's go ahead and open this up and get into it. You can get the whole set of the long-lasting liquid lips for $50 or $20 a piece, and I'm going to show you each of the colors. Here they are. You have something very light, medium, and deep. Revive is a pale neutral with peach and pink undertones. Refine, a neutral mocha nude with mauve undertones, and then Reimagine, a deep neutral mocha brown. I got a little card with my package, so I'm going to read to you the description and what Jen has to say. It reads, "Sometimes a little change can make a big difference. No one wants to have makeup products sitting around that we never use. The lipstick that's a little too bright or a little too orange," nothing's ever too orange for me, "or a little too purple." Things can definitely be a little too purple for me. "All it needs is a little metamorphosis." I love that. That's so cute. The 3 transformative shades in the Metamorphosis trio were designed specifically to bring your lips toward a natural skin tone, and in that, expand your ability to wear less wearable lipsticks in your makeup bag. I love the idea behind that, because I definitely have several lipsticks that I'm like, I don't really, you know, I would change the tone or the depth or something about them, and they just will sit. And these are a really great option to mix in with them. Use them with liquid lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, or even lip glosses to transform them into your ideal shade. The only limit is your imagination. Let it fly free. Mad love, Jen. The pre-sale starts on July 20th on ofracosmetics.com at 10 a.m. EDT, and then available individually and in the set July 29th at 10 a.m. EDT. Without further ado, I'm going to put these babies on my lips, and I am going to do some transforming of my own, and then I'll give you guys my opinions. Starting off with the shade Revive, I'm going to take this and I'm going to apply it all over so you can see the color by itself. And then I'm going to take the other 2 shades, put one on top and one on the bottom, and kind of mix them together so you can see the differences. That's kind of what I'm going to do with each shade so you guys can see. All right, I'm going to go ahead and open this up and go in. This smells good. So this is a very light nude. I like the undertone of it. Now, I wouldn't be able to wear this one by itself. That's kind of like the whole purpose behind all of these shades, is to kind of mix and make your perfect color. Now I'm going to take a few dots of Refine and I'm going to add it to the bottom lip. I'm going to attempt to use my finger. She uses her finger, and I feel like I'm just not that precise. Oh, that's a really pretty color when those are combined. So this is what that looks like with just a few dots. Now I want to add just a little bit more to see what will happen if I want to make it just a little bit darker, but you can see the difference in the shades right there. Just gonna do the same thing. And again, I really love this color. It's a little bit more neutral. It's really pretty. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the deepest one, which is called Reimagine. There's one coat, and again, I'm going to add one more. There you have it. Now, if I wanted to make this really perfect, right, my top lip is just harder to do with my finger, I would use a brush, and I think I will demonstrate that in the next one. But now I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off and move on to Refine. Here is Refine all by itself. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the other two colors, and I'm going to flip it this time and do the darker shade on bottom so that I can use my finger, and then the lighter shade on top, and I'll use a brush. And again, reimagine. I'm going to deepen up the bottom. That's so pretty. This is a pretty color. Revive for the top. Scott Barnes lip brush. You can see just how easily they blend together. Again, you could lighten this up some more or deepen it up some more if you would like. I think that both of the shades are really, really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the last color all over the lips. Reimagine all by itself. I did have to layer this one just a little bit, but that's pretty typical, whether it's a liquid lipstick or a regular lipstick, something that is this deep. A lot of the times I do have to apply a little bit more. This is gorgeous. Again, I'm going to go in and add the two shades. Revive to the top. I feel like I'm probably going to have to add quite a bit of this. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in. I feel so silly. Like, not doing it. I guess just doing it on camera. Because I'm not used to putting concoctions on my lips. Oh, it just looks funny. Linda Hallberg 301. And now Refine. And add a little bit more. You know, with this one, I think I might go ahead and do like a little bit of an ombre. I feel like she did that in her video. I'm going to add a little bit of the lighter shade right on the center. I'm going to leave the edges just a little bit darker. That creates a really easy and smooth gradient effect if you really like that ombre lip, and of course you can make it more intense if you wanted to. There's one more thing that I want to try, and that is a gloss with one of these shades. So I'm going to go find a gloss and I'll be right back. I have on the Wayne Goss gloss in Hyacinth, and now I am going to add in the middle shade. I keep getting all messed up. This one is Refine, and I'm just going to dot it on. I feel like I am in art school or like art class, and it's really nice. It's like I'm playing. I don't want to add too much. I'm just going to start off with that. And again, my lip brush from Linda Hallberg Cosmetics. I like the way this makes the gloss feel. It makes it like a little thicker. Obviously it changes the color, but it kind of makes it feel like a little bit more substantial, but still glossy. Again, it mixed together really nicely. I don't think I ever would have thought about that. I've added glosses on top of liquid lipsticks, but I've never done anything like this. And it's really, really nice. It's very comfortable. All right, now I'm gonna go and make my final concoction, and I will be right back with my Final thoughts. What I decided to do to create this lip was combine these two shades, Revive and Refine, and I didn't apply one all over. What I did was actually just take each of them. I started with the lighter one, just dotted it all over, and then I dotted this one all over, and I took a lip brush and perfected it so that the outside of my lip line would be nice and crisp. And then I went ahead and added on a gloss on top because I just love myself a glossy lip. And again, this is Hyacinth. It doesn't want to come off my tongue. From Wayne Goss, and I think that the three of them together looks really, really nice. If you're familiar with me, you know I'm not a huge liquid lipstick lover. And that's just because I find them to be a little bit too drying on my lips, and then I end up getting like that cracking and just, I don't like that. There's several colors of liquid lipsticks that I absolutely adore, but I just won't wear them because it's not comfortable for me. The Ofra ones though, I actually like these, and I've said that before. I don't find them to be overly drying on the lips, and I don't think that these actually dry all the way down to like a bulletproof finish, which I don't like. I don't like that bulletproof finish because it's too dry and I get the cracking. Yeah, it's not my thing, but I do like these. I have several of Ofra's. I have these now. I have some from Samantha March, and I have some that I've bought on my own, and I do wear them because I think that they are beautiful, and they really do work well with a gloss. Some liquid lipsticks don't work well with glosses. They'll kind of, I don't know, they become kind of gunky and will gather in places, and I don't find that to be the case with these. I love how neutral these are. I just think that they're extremely flattering, and for me, I find that it is harder to find things that are leaning more neutral. You can easily find things that are warmer or cooler, but something that's truly like in between is hard to find. So that is what I appreciate the most about this set. And these two right here are my favorites, especially mixed like I have them on right now. So I think she did a really good job. I think it's innovative. I love that she did something a little different and had this thought process behind it. Like you can tell that she really, really thought about it. It wasn't something that she just threw together. And if you watch her video, you'll be able to see just how much she thought about this. And yeah, great job, Jen. They're beautiful. Congratulations, beauty. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you did by giving a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Check out Jen if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.